Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create a Weldment profile and save it to the library the proper way. The first thing to do, if you haven't done that already, is to create a folder that's anywhere, technically. Let's call this folder Profiles. The next step you're going to do is open your SolidWorks, go to Tools, Options, select File Location. Then drop down the menu on the show folder, select Weldment Profiles, add file, then go to desktop, and then we're gonna select the profile folder. And now it's added to the library, so whatever you save into it is gonna be recognized. Okay. The next step we're going to do is create the profile itself. So select the front plane and start the sketch. As usual, you need to link everything to the origin. So start by drawing, let's say, a circular profile and then a secondary circle inside it, and then add the dimensions required. Let's say this is 100 mm and the wall thickness is at 10 mm. Then check this, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to File and then select Properties. From the Properties menu, you can add description by checking the property name and make sure it's on text. So the next thing you want to do is add the name of the profile itself to as a description. So let's call this rod with outer diameter 100 mm, wall thickness 10 mm, and press OK. The next thing you want to do is exit the sketch, and once you do that, make sure this is selected. Make sure the sketch is selected in this pane. So then once this is selected, just go to File, Save As, select first library feature part, then go to desktop to where we save the file, open the profiles, then you need to create a first folder, let's call it rods, then a secondary folder inside that folder which will be called rod with wall thickness 100 mm, outer diameter 10 mm, and then save that folder, open it, then let's call this part as well rod 100 wall outer diameter 100 mm, wall thickness 10 mm. Now save the part, and as you can see, as long as the file has, or as long as the sketch shows the L on it right here, it means the part has been saved to the library. So to test that, we're going to minimize that document or part, start a new one, and then select the front plane, sketch on it, and then add a line, dimension it by 100 mm, exit the sketch, then select insert on the top bar, Weldment, then structural members, then go for rods, the file that we chose, and you can see rod with 100 mm, outer diameter and inner diameter, wall thickness of, I recorded by my mistake with the opposite way, and You can see it here, outer diameter 100 mm. So once you do that, you can select it and it will create that weldment. Thank you. I hope this is helpful and good luck with your reports.